All right, so once you're in Vector, what you're going to do is you will have your account and you're going to create some new artwork. So I'm going to click New Artwork. I'm going to call this Bookmark. And the key is I want to set up my size to be correct to start. So this is going to be in inches. I want the width to be 2 inches. And I hit the unlock key and the height to be, we're going to go with 5.5 inches. Hit create. And then it will give me that as a starting place. This is going to be my outline for my bookmark. I'm going to just make some simple shapes around here. So I'm going to make a rectangle. And once I have my rectangle, I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. I'm going to make it about, well, I'll do 2 by 5.5. And then I'm going to move that to my shape. And I don't want the fill to be this, so I'm going to make my, turn off the fill. And then that border I can leave pink. I'll make it a little bit, there you go, there's my pink border. I'm going to shrink this a little bit so I know that it's going to fit. And now I'm going to go back and I can put in some text. So there's my text, bookmark. There's different things I can do with it. I can rotate it. Make it bigger, right? So maybe I want this to be 40. The key is the color, right? So if I leave it, if I leave it black, then that's another color in my laser file that I can then cut. Let me make it a little bigger. All right. There's my bookmark. It's centered. I can also bring in graphics, but I don't want to. I want to keep this relatively simple here. And so I have my bookmark there, and I'm going to look at a different shape. I'm just going to pull this over. Oops. And I want that color to be, this is going to fill, so that's fine. I want a color that I can see a little bit easier. I'm going to pick green. Again, it's not going to cut on the laser like that, but it can differentiate. So when I'm done, all right, so once you're happy with your bookmark, what you're going to do is you're going to export this. So you click here. We're going to use it as an SVG, so a scalable vector graphic. And we're going to make sure, we'll just put it at the largest dot per inch. And then what I'm going to do is hit download. I have this file. I'm going to open it, and hopefully it opens in the browser for you. And then what you're going to do from there is you'll download this onto a USB drive, but basically you will print and you'll send it to the Epilog engraver. And you will show up with your bookmark. Your next step is to turn on the autofocus, and then you want to split by color. Now you have 3 colors that you can select. The outside one, you're going to have to find the settings from the piece of test material that's provided, so the image should be in the assignment. This is going to be a vector cut. That's you're going to cut it out. This one will be an engrave, and this one will be an engrave, so that's basically etching that into the wood. When you're ready, show me your settings, and then we'll hit print, and then we'll send it to the machine to actually cut out.